am present over here. I am Aman Patel to tell you about the topic, should mobile phone be banned in school and colleges? Yes, it should be done because mobile is a very big distraction for everyone, even for kids and for elders. Mobile has many types of distractions. Nowadays, the most common distraction is Instagram, Reels, and Facebook, and mobile games. In school, we come to study and get good marks and get pass out and get a good job and work hard for our family. It should be banned because some students do abnormal activities from the mobile phone.
Topic: the role of artificial intelligence in shaping our future. Artificial intelligence have been a big help for everyone, not just students but also doctors and all the people. For their, it has helped in guidance and support, and people also use it for their mental, for sharing their thoughts with someone. If they don't have anyone, they use it to share their thoughts. And students nowadays are using for their homework and getting educational help. And people nowadays are also making images and all. It has pros, but it also has cons. It is not everything is not always positive. Everything has something negative. So artificial intelligence also have some negative points. It has stopped people from thinking beyond their mind, from thinking beyond their boundary of knowledge. They just simply open AI apps and search something and it comes up with all the information. People don't use their own mind, their own thoughts and create something new. So it is also blocking creativity of people.
Conclude that the government has implemented many laws against it, but we are not implementing it in our real life. Like there is a andolan named Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, but in many villages we cannot see the women or the girls studying in the government schools also. They are working in the houses and were taught how to cook so that they can go to their houses after marriage and become a good housewife. This is what our India village or sometimes urban area thinking about it, but it should not be like that, due to which the safety of the women are being compromised by the people of India only. Thank you.
Aryan, standing in front of you to present an extempore on topic is space exploration is a worth of money spent. So according to me, that it is not that we are wasting money on doing space exploration, because when we explore our universe, we find lot of things that can help humans so that they can use those things in their future. And also we need to explore our universe, because we should also know how many planets are existing on this universe, and we should take some precautions, like when we are exploring space, then we find that is any asteroid or some other element is going to hit our own earth or not. By doing so, we can get to know that we are getting harmed by that element or an asteroid or not. Thank you.
Class, the way we teach in online class is not good as we learn in the school, because in online classes students in place of studying they do so many things that parents trust on them that their students are studying in online class, but online class they do some other work also. But in traditional classes, people are only focusing on their studies, and this is the best way in which we can study. Very